I traveled 4 hours to watch this film because of its limited theatrical release in West Bengal. The distance felt small compared to the film's impact. Balan the Boy proves that great cinema doesn't need a big star cast to shine. Hi, this is Mowgli and you're watching World of Mowgli Reviews. Cinema is on a generational run, not only with Hollywood, but with Mollywood as well. It is a gripping survival psychological thriller which explores the dark dysfunctional bond between a single mother and his son, Balan. Following their traumatic past and life on the run, a deeply devoted mother, Indu, gave birth to Balan in the prison. Upon her release, she finds herself as an outcast and fears that her traumatic past will catch up with her. That is the reason she and her son, Balan, constantly is on the run and live their life as fugitives, constantly changing their names, their identities, relocating to new villages just for the survival. First half of the film, you will see the mother's perspective, that how she trains Balan to manipulate, to lie, and to elaborate new stories in order to conceal their true background. They live on constant fear that the mother raises Balan without a traditional and permanent childhood. Balan did not had any proper childhood, and he was constantly running with his mother in the first half of the film. Second half of the film explores the perspective of Balan as a teenager. Now we have to understand that people raised on survival view the world differently rather than people raised on love. He doesn't know how to find his missing mother, so he embarks on a desperate search to find her. And this is the moment the film shifts from a mother-son story to a mystery and thriller dynamic. While he searches for his missing mother, along the way he encounters with figures which apparently become a father figure for him. But in this situation, we have to understand that Balan is not an innocent child anymore. I was very impressed with this poster because it's not only a poster, it's a spoiler itself. Like in the first half, Balan is still a child, full of innocence. Like he changes name, changes towns, and play along with his mother's lies. Like the trauma is around him, but not in him yet. But this poster shows us the shift, like the scratches in Balan's face is not from any fight. It is from the world itself. The world forced him to grow fast, so he plays according to the world's rules. Like lie, manipulate, feed people and survive, like a dark fairy tale. The story was no longer a mother protecting a child. Instead, it becomes a child becoming a weapon. Directed by Chidambaram of Manjumal Boys and written in reverse by Jeetu Madhavan of Abhisham, this psychological survival thriller is direct hit to the core. Chidambaram's direction is tight, cold and claustrophobic. Like every frame captures the anxiety of running. Jeetu Madhavan brilliantly built the screenplay backwards from the climax. Every scene shows how a mother's determination to protect forces her son to grow up as a survivor instead of an innocent child. The ending twist is very clear, like both the mother and son will go any extreme, even criminal, to stay together. It's a dark fairy tale with a hard truth that in this world, innocent doesn't survive, only instincts do. Let's talk about the outstanding performance of the two debutants. Farzana Pathingal and Adhisheshan were extraordinarily good. Like no one could predict that they were newcomers because Farzana can act through her eyes. Adhisheshan as child Balan was a masterclass. Like whenever I saw him on screen, my heart melts. Mohammad Zeenan as the teenage Balan, like very few people are talking about his acting, but his shift from a victim to a survivor is really chilling. And he portrayed it so well. Like, what is going on in Malayalam cinema? Tovino Thomas comes as a surprise. His role is not crucial, but acts as a supporting impact in the movie. Director-actor Jean Paul Lal played Pavitran, a wounded pride police officer, with a key role in the narrative. Character brings tension and heavy conflicts as he investigates. Like this is one of his best acting roles till date. Film cinematography shot by acclaimed cinematographer Saiju Khalid. The visual relies on voyeuristic peripatetic angles and meticulous color grading that perfectly captures the transient, the unsettling lives of the characters. Highly acclaimed musical score for this survival thriller is created by Sushin Shyam. The music mixes eerie atmospheric tone and intimate themes that reflects a mother-son relationship. Balan the Boy leaves you thinking about Balan's fate. Boy raised on lies and evasion must not navigate a morally grey predatory world alone. Like it's psychological, captivating and brutally honest. Traveling 4 hours had zero regrets because this movie demands to be seen. Go watch Balan the Boy in the theatres if it is available in your city. I have watched this on Malayalam language with English subtitle. That's how I love Malayalam cinema. Like if you want to watch a good movie with a tight script, amazing direction, masterclass acting, you should watch Balan the Boy. And for more such videos, follow me.